Welcome back to brand new video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks. Have you ever wondered how a hammer, one of the most essential tools, is made? In this video, we'll take you through the fascinating process of hammer manufacturing, step by step. It all starts with raw materials. For the hammer's head, we use high-quality steel bars, chosen for their strength and durability. Steel is the backbone of any reliable hammer, ensuring it can withstand forceful impacts. Once the steel bars are selected, they're cut into smaller, manageable pieces. This helps prepare the metal for shaping into the hammer's head. The steel is then heated in a forge until it reaches the perfect temperature. This makes the metal malleable enough to be shaped by a powerful forging hammer. The hot metal is struck repeatedly, creating the basic form of the hammerhead. Next, the rough shape of the hammerhead is refined. Skilled workers use precision tools to shape the head, ensuring the edges are smooth and the overall form is perfect for the final product. To fit the hammer's handle securely, an eye hole is drilled into the head. This hole is where the handle will be inserted and fastened. To increase the strength of the hammerhead, it undergoes a heat treatment process. This involves heating the metal to a high temperature and then rapidly cooling it, which hardens the steel and improves its resistance to wear and impact. The piece of iron turned into a hammer is now being immersed in water to cool it. After heat treatment, the hammerhead is ground and polished to perfection. This process smooths out any rough edges and gives the hammer its sleek, shiny finish. While the hammerhead is being perfected, it's time to focus on the handle. The handle is typically made of wood or fiberglass, materials chosen for their strength and ability to absorb shot. The wood is carefully selected and shaped to fit the eye hole of the hammerhead. Next, the raw material is cut into long rectangular planks, each piece roughly the size of the final handle. The pieces are then measured and marked for cutting to ensure each handle meets the required length. Once the material is cut to size, it's time to shape the handle. In a wood shop, this is done using a lathe, which spins the material at high speed while the worker uses tools to carve and shape it into the familiar cylindrical form we know as a hammer handle. The shape is tapered, with the thicker end fitting snugly into the hammerhead and the thinner end forming the grip to ensure the handle is smooth and comfortable to grip. It's carefully sanded. This process removes any rough edges, splinters, or imperfections and gives the handle its sleek finish. Once the hammer handle has been shaped and smoothed, the next crucial step is polishing. A special polishing compound is applied to help smooth out any fine scratches and bring out the natural shine of the wood or fiberglass. This compound works like a fine abrasive, smoothing the surface without damaging the material. The handle is now ready to be fitted to the hammerhead. The eye hole of the hammerhead is carefully aligned with the tapered end of the handle, and it's inserted securely. A wooden wedge or strong adhesive is used to make sure the handle is fastened tightly, ensuring a solid connection. A wooden wedge is driven into a slot at the top of the eye hole. This wedge expands as it's tapped in, creating a tight bond between the handle and the hammerhead, preventing the handle from loosening over time. In some cases, a high-strength adhesive may be used to further reinforce the bond.